So today we are going once again. Good afternoon everyone. I am Muneeswari Surya and we are going to discuss about a topic in biology. It's endocrine system. In general, system means it's like a compound of more number of some subsystems. It is called system. And endocrine means, endo means it's inside. So endocrine system means some of the subsystems are going to come together and work as a group. So we are going to see about endocrine system. This system is going to be a collection of glands. So glands is something, a place that produces and secretes hormones. Hormones which are going to be used for functions of our body, like cell metabolism and production or release or reduction of a particular product. These are the some applications of hormones. So in the endocrine system there are totally 8 glands. First one is hypothalamus, second one is pituitary gland, third one is thyroid, and fourth one is parathyroid, and fifth one is adrenal, sixth one is pineal, and seventh one is reproductive system, and last pancreas. So these are the major glands of endocrine system. So we start with hypothalamus. Hypothalamus, it is the major part of this endocrine system. It is the starting place of producing hormones. So this hypothalamus is going to secrete some hormones. So these hormones are going to directly into pituitary gland. Then it stimulates pituitary gland to secrete hormones. So the main function of hypothalamus is it is going to secrete some hormones that's going to directly into a pituitary gland, that stimulates a pituitary gland that is going to produce some hormones. These are going to control the other glands. So pituitary gland is going to produce some hormones that is going to control the hormone secretion of other glands. So next one is pituitary gland. So pituitary gland is the most important gland in endocrine system. It has 2 subsystems. First one is anterior lobe, second one is posterior lobe. So in anterior lobe there are 5 types of hormones. The first one is growth hormone, which is going to be used for body growth. Second one is thyroid stimulating hormone, short form is TSH. It is going to stimulate our thyroid hormone. Third one is adenocorticotropin hormone. Fourth one is luteinizing hormone. It is going to be used for sex hormone. And last one is prolactin. It secretes for milk production. So in arterial lobe of pituitary we have totally 5 hormones. First one is growth hormone, second one is thyroid stimulating hormone, third one is adenocorticotropin hormone, fourth one is luteinizing hormone or follicle stimulating hormone, The last one is prolactin. And in posterior lobe it has two types. The first one is antidiuretic hormone. Second one is oxytocin. Antidiuretic hormone, it is used for water loss, and oxytocin, it is also used for milk production in female body. So third one is thyroid hormone. It is located in a lower part of our neck. It is used for some functions like cell metabolism and bone or cell growth. So thyroid hormone is it's not that much important like our pituitary gland or hypothalamus. It is used for cell metabolism like cell regulation. Cell regulation means it like balancing our production and degradation. Both these are, it is going to be neutralized. That is called cell metabolism. Metabolism is like breakdown of a particular compounds. Cell regulation means it is the balancing life of cell metabolism and cell degradation. So, and it is mainly used for bone and cell growth. Then parathyroid, it is a consists of two pairs. Each of them are embedded with thyroid glands. So one pair is for one side of thyroid gland and another pair for another thyroid gland. So then adrenal, it is like a triangle shaped gland. It is located in each of our above the part of kidney. It is in a triangle shape and it has two types. First one is inner part and second one is outer part. So both of them are used for physical stress or emotional stress releasing hormones. And next one is pineal gland. So pineal gland, it is located in the middle of our brain. It is middle of our brain. It is mainly used to balancing our wake or sleep cycle. So it is responsible for sleeping and also waking up in the morning. Then comes to the reproductive glands. Reproductive glands, it has two types. The first one is for male reproductive system. Second one is for female reproductive system. So in male mainly it produces hormones like androgen, and females for it is estrogen. For male producing in androgen, it is mainly of testosterone, and estrogen is for progesterone. And the last one is pancreas. It produces two types of hormones. First one is glucagon, second one is insulin, that metabolizes our extra food that is comes to the pancreas. Thank you.